Hi there, tubers. Thank you for stopping by again. You can see I just took the brakes from the oven. So what happened is that the brakes were shot. The brake lining it's just smooth. It's just there's no grit, nothing. It was just gone. And I got word that this would be a good substitute for it. So I'm just trying it out. It's a Scotch tape by Trim, and it's a number 69. And this the diameter of this is let me see, it's a half inch, and I get 66 feet. It's half inch wide. The tape is half inch wide and 66 feet. So I got, if this really work, then I have brake for a lifetime. So so what I did, I just take a knife and just pick this off. It came off real quite easily, and then I use paint thinner to just clean it up real nice. And I just, put it on the hub and just cut it to size. Then I bake it in the oven for about 1.5 hours at 300 degrees, 305 degrees or so. So I'm gonna install it on the deck and see how it goes. I'm gonna clean up the brake band again. Just to make sure that it's all clean. This one is a bit dirty. Yeah, the thing, sometimes you clean it up and you think it's clean, but in no time, dust and grime get back into this thing. And you got to be careful that there's no kinks. So while you're cleaning it, you have to just go easy with it. Can't twist it too hard. Side was much cleaner. You got to be so patient with this thing. Otherwise, you're going to kink it up. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna just go through the entire process here. So you hear me say I don't work and do video at the same time because I take my time to do everything and it's gonna be boring. So you can't complain if you're getting bored by this. You know, I just do what I do, and then I like to just tell you what I did. But some people have been asking me to do it. I mean, to show them how I do it. You know what I mean? Which, that's not my cup of tea. I just like to tell you what I did. Now, I take my hat off to some of the YouTubers who work and just tear it apart and just put it together and troubleshoot the problem right there. Like, for example, Mend It Mark. He's one of the best I've seen yet. So I'm always watching his video because I don't know how the hell he does it. One person says to me, no, he doesn't do it like right live. He find the problem and then he come back and he shoot the video. So really? Because sometimes he's always pulling down the stuff and then finding the problem. So I can't see him pulling down the stuff, putting it back together and come back and show it. You know, to me, I just believe that he does it right off the cuff. I could be wrong, I don't know. But Mend It Mark, yeah, I like to watch his video when he troubleshoots stuff. What am I going to do now? Okay, so I'm going to drop a tape on this thing and power it up and see, test the brake. Okay, just want to see what. The deck is working. In my previous video, I demonstrated that the deck is working, but in that video, I also pointed out that the brakes were noisy. You know, when you rewind it and stop, it just make a whole lot of noise, and the brake band was completely shot. So I hope this 3M tape works. You know, I saw some posting on tapehead.net, and some guys were saying that they used it. Otherwise, there is Revox in Australia that I could get the brake band from, but it takes such a long time to get to me. So I opted to try the 3M tape to see what happens. All right, so almost there. All right, turn on the deck. Gonna hit play. Then I'm gonna stop. And I'm gonna, let's see, rewind. Like I'm onto something here. Whoa. Yeah. Look like this. Well, let me not get excited yet. I'll be monitoring it to see if it holds up. You know, because I tape the tape. Where is it? The tape has an adhesive on the back of it. You know, so I just tape it around the hub, and then I use something to scrape it around so that no air bubbles is trapped inside it when I put it around the hub. And then I bake it as one user said he did. And yeah, this might work. It's not noisy like before. See? And it stopped. There you go. Thank you for stopping by again. This was a short video on my quest to repair the brake lining on the Revox B77 tape recorder. All right, bye. See you later.